Right, listen up. No more excuses about not having time to eat healthy or lose weight. You've got 10 minutes, haven't you? That's all you need to make something delicious and good for your body. Forget sad takeaway salads and fake health bars. I'm David, and today I'll show you 5 SlimSync recipes, each ready in under 10 minutes. This isn't about starving, it's about eating smart and taking control. We'll chop, sizzle, and blend our way to a leaner, more energetic you. Fast, healthy, delicious, that's the promise. From a protein-packed breakfast wrap to a zesty shrimp dinner, I've got you covered. No more bland, boring diet food. It's time to get serious about flavor and get slim. Let's do it. First up, let's talk about the spinach and egg white wrap, your ultimate 6-minute breakfast fix that's as easy as it is delicious. If you're looking for a way to start your day with energy, focus, and a sense of accomplishment, this wrap is your answer. It's quick, it's simple, and it's packed with nutrients that your body craves first thing in the morning. Think about what you usually reach for in the morning. Is it a sugary cereal, a greasy pastry, or maybe you just skip breakfast altogether? Those options might be convenient, but they leave you feeling sluggish and hungry before noon. Instead, you need a breakfast that's high in protein and fiber to kickstart your metabolism and keep you satisfied for hours. Here's how you do it. Start by heating a non-stick pan over medium heat and add just a touch of olive oil. This not only prevents sticking but also adds a dose of healthy fats. Pour in half a cup of liquid egg whites. These are pure protein, low in calories, and cook up in no time. As the egg whites begin to set, toss in a generous handful of fresh spinach. Don't be shy. Spinach wilts down a lot, so the more the better. Spinach is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help keep your body running smoothly. Season everything with a pinch of salt and a crack of black pepper to bring out the flavors. Let the eggs and spinach cook together until the spinach is wilted and the eggs are just set. Then carefully slide the mixture onto a whole wheat wrap. Whole wheat wraps are a great source of complex carbs and fiber, which means they'll keep you full and energized all morning. Now for the fun part, toppings. If you like a little tang, sprinkle on some crumbled feta cheese. Or if you're in the mood for a kick, add a dash of your favorite hot sauce. You can even throw in some sliced tomatoes or a few fresh herbs for extra flavor. The key is to keep it clean and simple, so you're not loading up on unnecessary calories or fat. Fold the sides of the wrap in, then roll it up tightly from the bottom. Don't overfill it. This way, everything stays neatly inside and you can eat it on the go without any mess. The tighter you roll, the easier it is to handle, especially if you're rushing out the door. What you've got now is a breakfast that's portable, filling, and absolutely packed with protein and fiber. It's the kind of meal that keeps you full, helps you avoid those mid-morning energy crashes, and supports your health goals, whether you're trying to lose weight, build muscle, or just feel better throughout the day. The best part? You can eat this wrap anywhere. Take it with you on your commute, enjoy it at your desk, or even pack it for a post-workout snack. No more excuses for skipping breakfast or grabbing something unhealthy just because you're short on time. With every bite, you're fueling your body with the nutrients it needs to wake up your metabolism and set a positive tone for the rest of your day. You'll feel more energized, more focused, and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. It's all about making smart choices, using simple recipes, and having the right attitude. When you start your day with a meal like this, you're proving to yourself that you can prioritize your health, even on the busiest mornings. In just 6 minutes, you've created a breakfast masterpiece that's efficient, nutritious, and totally satisfying. That's less time than it takes to wait in line for coffee or scroll through your phone in the morning. And the benefits don't stop at breakfast. By starting your day with a meal that keeps you full, you'll be less tempted to reach for junk snacks or sugary treats before lunch. You're setting yourself up for a day of better choices and more consistent energy. So, start your day with power and purpose. Make the spinach and egg white wrap your new morning ritual, and see how much better you feel, physically and mentally. You've got this. Get it done. Next up, a lightning-fast lunch that's just as simple and satisfying. Lunchtime, don't fall for the vending machine or delivery app. Here's a 5-minute fix. Avocado tuna lettuce boats. Drain a can of tuna, mash it with a ripe avocado, a squeeze of lime, chopped red onion, and fresh herbs. Season well, mash gently for texture. Wash crisp romaine or iceberg leaves. These are your boats. Spoon the tuna avocado mix into the lettuce leaves. Enjoy the crunch, creaminess, and fresh flavors. Lean protein, healthy fats, and vitamins, all in one bite. This lunch powers you through the afternoon without weighing you down. 5 minutes, no cooking, just mixing. Swap bread for lettuce, mayo for avocado. Simple changes, big impact. Don't like tuna? Use salmon or chicken. Make it your own. This is smart, satisfying, and endlessly versatile. No more soggy sandwiches. This is SlimSync in action. Eat up, you've earned it. Next dinner that crushes pasta cravings. It's dinner time, and you're craving a big, comforting bowl of pasta. But what if you could have all the satisfaction of your favorite Italian dish, without the heaviness or the carb overload? Tonight, let's make something that's just as delicious, but lighter, fresher, and packed with nutrients. Meet garlic shrimp zucchini noodles, a vibrant, healthy twist on classic pasta that's perfect for busy weeknights or when you want to impress without spending hours in the kitchen. Start by spiralizing 2 medium zucchinis. This simple step transforms humble squash into beautiful curly zoodles that look and feel just like pasta, but are low in calories and high in fiber. If you don't have a spiralizer, a julienne peeler or even a sharp knife works too. Just slice the zucchini into thin strips. Next, grab about half a pound of raw, peeled shrimp. Pat them dry with a paper towel. This helps them sear beautifully and develop that irresistible golden color. Meanwhile, heat a generous drizzle of olive oil in a large skillet over high heat. The oil should shimmer but not smoke. Add a few cloves of thinly sliced garlic and a pinch of chili flakes to the hot oil. Let them sizzle for about 30 seconds, just until the garlic is fragrant and the chili releases its heat. This is where the magic starts. The aroma will fill your kitchen. Now toss in the shrimp, spread them out in a single layer and let them sear for about 1 minute per side. You'll see them turn pink and curl up, soaking in all that garlicky, spicy flavor. Don't overcook. Shrimp are best when they're just cooked through and still juicy. Add your zucchini noodles straight into the pan with the shrimp and garlic. Toss everything together for just a minute or two, enough to warm the zoodles and coat them in the flavorful oil, but not so long that they get soggy. The goal is to keep them crisp and fresh. Finish with a generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice and a shower of chopped parsley. The lemon brightens up the dish, while the parsley adds a pop of color and freshness. If you like, add a sprinkle of sea salt and a crack of black pepper to taste. Plate up your garlic shrimp zucchini noodles. Notice how vibrant and colorful it looks. The pink shrimp, green zoodles, flecks of parsley, and a glisten of olive oil. It's light, yet so satisfying, and every bite bursts with flavor. You get all the comfort and twirl of pasta, but without the heaviness or the carb crash. Zucchini noodles are a fantastic alternative, letting you enjoy your favorite meals and still feel energized afterward. This dish is loaded with lean protein from the shrimp, plenty of fresh veggies, and a punch of garlicky, lemony taste. It's a meal that's as good for your body as it is for your taste buds. Best of all, it comes together in just 7 minutes from start to finish. That's faster than ordering takeout, and so much healthier. This is how you satisfy your pasta cravings and stay on track with your health goals. It's quick, it's easy, and it's absolutely delicious. No more heavy, bloated dinners, just smart, fast, healthy cooking that leaves you feeling light and happy. Enjoy every single bite, knowing you're nourishing your body. Next time you're tempted by pasta, reach for zucchini and shrimp instead. It's a game changer that will quickly become a staple in your kitchen. In just a few minutes, you've created a restaurant-worthy meal at home. Fresh, flavorful, and full of goodness. Brilliant work. Now dig in and enjoy. Ever find yourself standing in front of the fridge, searching for something that's both nourishing and quick? We all want a meal that fuels us, but it's easy to get stuck in a rut or reach for something less healthy when time is tight. Enter the Quinoa and Veggie Power Bowl, a vibrant, satisfying dish you can whip up in just 8 minutes. It's perfect for busy days, post-workout recovery, or anytime you need a boost of clean energy. Start with pre-cooked quinoa, which you can find in convenient microwavable pouches at most grocery stores. Pop it in the microwave for 90 seconds. No pots, no waiting, just fluffy, protein-rich grains in a flash. While the quinoa heats, grab your favorite fresh veggies. Chop up crisp cucumber, sweet bell pepper, and juicy cherry tomatoes. These add crunch, color, and a burst of vitamins to your bowl. Next, toss a generous handful of mixed greens like spinach, arugula, or baby kale into your bowl. Greens are loaded with antioxidants and fiber, making your meal even more nutritious. Rinse a can of chickpeas under cold water to remove excess sodium and add them to the mix. Chickpeas are a powerhouse of plant-based protein and fiber, helping you stay full and energized for hours. They also add a creamy texture that pairs perfectly with the crisp veggies. For a simple, zesty vinaigrette, combine a drizzle of olive oil and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice in a small jar or bowl. This brightens up the flavors and brings everything together. Add a spoonful of Dijon mustard for a tangy kick, plus a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Shake or whisk until it's well blended. Meanwhile, fluff your hot quinoa with a fork to keep it light and airy, then spoon it into the center of your bowl. Arrange your chopped veggies and chickpeas around the quinoa, creating a rainbow of colors and textures. This not only looks beautiful, but ensures every bite is packed with flavor and nutrients. Drizzle your homemade vinaigrette over the top, letting it soak into the grains and greens. For extra creaminess and healthy fats, add sliced avocado or a sprinkle of seeds like pumpkin, sunflower, or hemp on top. In just 8 minutes, you've created a colorful, nutrient-packed meal that's as good for your body as it is for your taste buds. You get complex carbs from the quinoa, plant protein from the chickpeas, healthy fats from the olive oil and avocado, and a spectrum of vitamins and minerals from all those fresh veggies. This is real fuel. No post-lunch slump, just steady, clean energy to power you through your afternoon. It's a meal that leaves you feeling light, satisfied, and ready to take on whatever comes next. Want to make it even easier? Prep your veggies and quinoa ahead of time and store them in meal prep containers. That way, you can assemble your power bowl in under 5 minutes, even on your busiest days. Use kitchen gadgets like a veggie chopper or salad spinner to save time and keep your ingredients fresh. With a little planning, healthy eating becomes effortless and enjoyable. Whether you're rushing out the door or need a quick lunch between meetings, this power bowl is your go-to solution for eating well without the hassle. That's how you power up with SlimSync, delicious, nutritious, and always ready when you are. Final recipe, the fastest yet. The berry almond protein smoothie, ready in 3 minutes. Add 1 cup unsweetened almond milk to your blender. Toss in a cup of frozen mixed berries. Add a scoop of protein powder, vanilla or strawberry works great. 1 tablespoon almond butter for healthy fats and creaminess. Optional chia or flax seeds for extra fiber. Blend until smooth and thick. Pour into a glass or shaker, take it on the go. No cooking, no mess, just rinse the blender. Sweet, creamy, filling, and packed with protein and antioxidants. This is your no-excuse breakfast, snack, or post-workout meal. 3 minutes and you're fueled for hours. Fast, simple, delicious. Perfect for your SlimSync goals. Now let's wrap it up. There you have it. 5 fast, delicious meals to fuel your weight loss journey. We've proven you don't need hours or bland food to eat well and feel satisfied. With SlimSync, you control your health and your valuable time. No more excuses, just smart, tasty choices every single day. These recipes are your foundation for a leaner, healthier you. Get in the kitchen, try them out, and feel the difference for yourself. Subscribe for more fast, fat-burning recipes and tips. Now stop watching, start cooking. Your new body is waiting.